For more than 40 years, Valleylab Energy has been leading the charge to revolutionize the future of surgical energy, responding to surgeons' needs, to reduce complications, and above all, enhance patient outcomes. Together with our customers, we've always looked ahead, asking, what if? What if we could lower overall costs by shortening hospital stays and reducing complications? What if we combined multiple functions to help surgeons save time, put more control in their hands during open surgery, and made it easier to use energy in confined surgical spaces? We asked what if, and worked tirelessly to make it reality, with a comprehensive portfolio of energy solutions that can be used in more ORs and procedures throughout the continuum of care. What if we could build a smaller, simpler, smarter generator that delivers faster sealing time with the same consistency we're known for? Well, now we have, with the Valleylab FT10 energy platform, advancing the boundaries of energy-based surgery beyond the realm of what was possible. In decades past, right now and into the future, we share a vision with our customers to make minimally invasive energy-based therapies safer, more cost-effective and efficient, and more accessible, all the while never forgetting the ultimate goals: to alleviate pain, restore health, and extend the lives of patients.